Good evening, everyone. A very good evening to all of you, bachos. So we are back on Creatrix YouTube channel with very important information for all of you. What is that important information? Is that GATE has opened the modification window for your GATE 2023 application. If you see the homepage of the GATE website, I have opened gate.iitk.ac.in, which is the organizing institute for GATE 2023. IIT Kanpur is conducting this exam. So now if you scroll below, you will see tweets about GATE 2023. IIT Kanpur will open the correction window from November 8 and close it on November 14. And since today is November 8th, the window has been opened. Okay. And they have also Amba Jogai city in IIT Bombay has been dropped as a center. So students who have filled Amba Jogai, they will get different center, maybe their second or the third preference. And if you see here, rectification of defect in the application is available. Candidate must take action to avoid delay in further processing of application. And if your application status is under scrutiny, you were asking about this, then keep checking the status, take actions as required. So if your application status is still showing under scrutiny and if you committed a mistake, you can right now log in. Login is available here. You can log in with your ID, with your password, and you can modify whatever mistakes you committed so that your application gets accepted. And if your application is showing under scrutiny, keep checking it again and again until it gets accepted, because that is very important for all of you. And bacho, the one thing is, you should not at all worry. Okay, do not panic. When I say do not panic, why I say that? Because sometimes when your application is not accepted, it shows under scrutiny, you guys go haywire, you guys panic like anything, and you keep asking, what should I do? What should I do? The first course of action is check your application. If you have done any error, like uploading the wrong photograph, wrong signature, might not be matching the specifications. Second thing what you have to do is, if you are unable to understand anything, give a call to IIT Kanpur. Give a call to the GATE cell of IIT Kanpur, because those are the people that can resolve your concern. Those are the people that can tell you what needs to be done. Because if you keep asking teachers, other institutes, or any friend of yours, they are not going to help. They cannot help. It is in the hands of IIT Kanpur. So call up IIT Kanpur, check about your application, and I hope if you have done any error, you are able to recognize that yourself and you are able to rectify it, so that you don't even have to go to IIT Kanpur. Okay. See, the modifications in GATE 2023 application window will be available from 8th to 14th of November. They have written them themselves. Okay. So if you see, 30th August was the opening date, closing date was 7th October, end of extended period is 16th of October, and your admit card will come on 3rd of January. Remember this date, 3rd of January, your admit card will come, and exam will be on 4th, 5th, 11th and 12th of February. 15th of Feb, they will give you the they will give you your responses, what you have filled. But don't worry beta, the day of the GATE exam, we will provide you the answer keys, we will provide you the solutions, so that you can check how much marks are you scoring, and then you can plan your future accordingly. And at this point of time, I will also like to tell you one more message beta, that you only have 2.5-3 months at the most for your GATE exam. Okay. So do not think about anything, just push yourself into this GATE preparation, give it your 100%, so that whatever you have done in the previous months, that does not go waste. Sometimes we feel like we are going to lose, we are not going to clear the exam, and hence we stop our efforts. Beta, you should not feel that, you should not think about it. Even if your preparation is not complete, even if your preparation is not up to the mark, you still have 2.5 to 3 months in which you can take your preparation to the next level, and you can make sure that you do well in the GATE exam. I'm not saying that you will be able to get under 10 rank, you will be able to get under 100 rank, but at least give it your best shot, at least get the best you can get. Okay. So right now, just go to the IIT Kanpur website, modify your applications and check the status. Status should be application basically accepted. It should not be under scrutiny. If it is under scrutiny, keep checking it again and again. If that doesn't work, talk to the IIT Kanpur gate cell and get it resolved, so that by 14th of November, you all are assured that your applications have been accepted and you can focus on your preparation. Don't get trapped in this. Just keep checking it, keep modifying whatever modifications are needed and go through it so that you can focus on your preparation. And soon enough, I'll bring you more updates, more informative, strategic, many type of things I have planned for you guys. Don't worry, I'm going to be there with you with the rest of your journey, and we will take this journey together and we'll make sure that you do well in the GATE examination. Let's crack it.